how to set light mode on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set light mode on Opera Mini. First you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and now click on this icon here and then click this one, settings icon, and now click this one, personalization, and then all you need to do is just click here, and as you see the light mode has been enabled. And if you want to just go back to the dark mode, just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and watch this video if you want, and see you in the next video.